touch it, Colson. Don't touch the car.
I'm a visual girl. I gotta see.
Trying,
I'm packing
Colson.
it up. It's gotta be very organized because I gotta be able to take this on the road when I'm traveling. So packing up specific.
I don't move.
I was like, oh, this is.
Don't tell me. Don't talk to me.
I know, but it has to be on this page.
You're what?
Yes, it is. I assume you'll do that. Oh. Yes, my husband did that.